gonna talk to the camera, so don't be weird. Okay.
No skibbity toilet?
No skibbity toilet. I'm putting that in.
It's on?
The camera is on.
Can it hear me?
It can, if it can hear me, it can hear you.
Oh, I didn't know.
I don't have like a magic microphone.
Well, I don't know if it was on.
It's on.
Have a good day.
You sure can.
Skibbity toilet.
Skibbity toilet Riz. Have a good day. Yeah. Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video, I am taking you along with me for a day in the life. You guys seem to really be enjoying these videos. I really enjoy these videos. They're fun to look back on, and they're easy for me to film. So today, it is Sunday. We're about to leave the house. It's 10 a.m. We're headed out for Griffin's football game. I'm wearing my football headband. This is new. I haven't worn it. Battery died, so hopefully I can pick up where I left off. But today is Saturday. We're about to head out to Griffin's game. I was showing you my super cute headband that I picked up. This is actually from Amazon. I'll link it for you down below. I have one, like a teacher one too, but I just think they're so cute. And days that my hair is not cooperating or it's wash day, this is what happens. So here's where we're at. But we've got Griffin's game this morning. Sandy's actually coming to that game, so fun. And then Ronan has cheer, and then it's also Ryan's birthday tomorrow, so we're doing a celebratory dinner for him tonight. We're doing, he requested good cheeseburgers, which means like homemade with all the fixings. He calls it the salad, so lettuce, tomato, that kind of thing. And then he also asked for mashed potatoes, which is bizarre because I didn't think he liked those, but I know, right? Aiden's sitting at the table giving me a face. He never used to like mashed potatoes, but he requested them, so okay, fine. So we'll do that, and my mother-in-law and sister-in-law are coming over for dinner, and he doesn't like cake, so he gets a cookie cake. So I know, my son's giving me another look. You knew he didn't like cake.
He didn't like ice cream.
He doesn't like ice cream either. Yeah. He's an oddball. It's not that he doesn't like sugar. He loves sugar. Please do not assume that means he's like this healthy eater who doesn't like sweets. He does. He just prefers like cookies and muffins. He could go to town on blueberry muffins, that kind of thing. So we, after the football game, I've got to go pick up his birthday present. It is at our wholesale store, BJ's, ready to go. I ordered it yesterday. I meant to go pick it up. He asked for an iPad this year. So we give the kids the option of like a big birthday party or a big gift, but we can't do both because that's expensive. And for the last like 3 years, well, I guess 2 years, they have requested the large gift over the large birthday party. So fine, works for me. So he got an iPad this year. That's what he asked for. I got him one of those pens too, like the iPen or iPencil, whatever it is, because he likes to draw and do all of that. So I got to go pick that up. We'll pick up his cookie cake, and we'll get some stuff done. I do need to do some cleaning today. I do need to do some just overall prep for the week. I'm done with like scheduling and all that stuff. That stuff's all done. I really need to do some yard work today, like desperately need to do some yard work today. So we'll probably try to get some of that done in between games. But we are running late. We got to get to the field. So just going to take you along with me today. I hope you're here for it. Let's get started. Thanks for being here. probably beet red. My arm is probably shaking, but we're back. I have been gardening for about an hour and a half. The kids were out helping me for a little while, but they're inside cooling off. It is 78 degrees today. Not a lick of a breeze, but I was able to get a lot of stuff done. And let me show you what my current September garden is looking like. It's blazing hot, like I said. We do have leaves changing, lots of yellow, but this is what the current yard looks like. It is shady, so it's probably hard to see. Danny mowed yesterday. Aiden came out and did some edging today. But I went ahead today and pulled everything out of my barrels. They were just overgrown, looking really sad, kind of dead. And then I pulled out all of the pink petunias that were along the edge there, just cleaned all that up. On this side, I got rid of the potted plant that was there, trimmed back my winter creepers, and also cut back the flowers from the hostas. My butterfly bush is in full bloom. I cut off a ton of dead blooms from it, but there's a big old bumblebee on that right now. The cat mint is covered in bees as well. And my limelight is looking beautiful for fall. So this is why I wanted to get rid of those brighter colors, especially because of that gorgeous limelight back there. We're going to go look at those here in a second. But here is how this is looking. My gigantic Annabelle hydrangeas are looking big and beautiful, and they're kind of drying out naturally. And what you can't see is back behind there, my generous gardener David Austin rose was growing. It's just that it didn't get enough sun because of this hydrangea. So I'm going to have to figure that out. Next year I'm going to do a cage to help this grow better. It's like a big, it's got a big cage. It's got a bunch of squares, kind of similar to what you would use for a peony. But this is what everything is looking like. My Nepeta looks like it's, my catmint is looking like it's just sad and ready to be done for the season. But I'm not going to shear it back yet because it's just too hot and that'll shock it. I also need to trim back my boxwoods, but I'm not going to do that until it cools off. I did get rid of the big pot that was here with with the beautiful pink bubblegum petunias. Just time for those to go. I also got rid of the hanging planters. I'm not sure I'm going to put another hanging planter up or if I'm going to leave those blank for the rest of the season. I'm not sure yet. Cleaned off any flowers that were on the front porch and blew that off. I should have filmed this, but it was way too hot. I just needed to focus on what I was doing. This hydrangea is sad. Somebody commented on my video, and if it's you, thank you, that if they don't get enough sun, that they revert back to being a lace cap hydrangea, which I can totally see because if you look here, this totally looks like a lace cap bloom where it only has some blooms. So that may be what happened here. This thing is gigantic and I'm going to move it in the spring probably. I don't know. I may shear it back and move it. Yeah, I'm going to move it in the spring. I'm not going to move it now. I think this spring is probably when I'm supposed to do it, but I am going to cut this way back, just not today because I was dying in the heat. And I don't have Danny here to help me because he is at a football game with Ronan. So this gorgeous, can we talk about this? This gorgeous limelight. This was a dwarf limelight. Nothing dwarf about it, but these colors are stunning. I absolutely love them. Uh-oh, what happened to this one? Looks like this one got probably cut pulled when I was weeding. Has a giant weed on the inside that I tried to get as much of it out as I could, but this just looks fantastic. And the one on the other side, back there, look at that. Look at those giant heads, like just gorgeous. So everything is just looking spent. I should have cut those flowers off of those hostas, but I didn't. And now I'm thinking maybe I'll go back and do that. It almost looks like it's about to bud again. It looks like it's got a bunch of fresh buds on it. So we'll see what happens there. But everything is just looking spent. It's been really hot and I'm sure everything is just really tired, but these are gorgeous, like absolutely gorgeous. We are getting some leaf color change on our river birch and the base is getting nice and like peely, which is what it's supposed to do. Looks gorgeous. So really happy with that this year. And I also had the boys help me with some weeding of the fire pit area because it was really bad and it just had been neglected. So they did a bunch of weeding back there. I need to blow out all those dead leaves. I also have that pink geranium over there by the bench that I just can't part with yet. Pulled out the stuff from those front barrels as well, and then blew out the flower beds as much as I could to get rid of the dead leaves, and blew it all out into the grass and then down into those bushes down there. So that's where we're at, and it is looking really nice. So many leaves in the grass, but it's looking really pretty. It looks so much better now that I cleaned it up, and I could still do more cleaning, but it is just so dang hot. But we've had the triple E with the mosquitoes, so I can't come out and do it in the evening when it's really nice, but maybe I'll try to come out before it gets like too mosquito-y. Just put on a bunch of bug spray, take a shower. But that's where we're at, guys. Oh, and I also still have bunting up there that I need to take down. So I'll do that when Danny gets home, but it just looks really pretty, and I'm really glad that I got that done.